Hello guys, today I've got the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the dual connection. As you can see here, we are now in the application. This application is called the HUAWEI Audio Connect. Here in this application we need to just tap on the pair devices right here. And as you can see, the first thing that pops up here is multi-connect. Stay connected to multiple devices and switch between them seamlessly. Disable, enable. And as you can see here, we've got preferred device. We can here tap auto or select our phone or some other device. Pardon me. Here, as you can see, we have yet another information. Your earphones will prioritize the selected device for features such as the voice assistant. And here, as you can see here, paired devices, and we can see the paired devices that we have, all the list, all the devices that we have. We can delete them using this bin icon. So that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day, of course. Goodbye.